Hi everyone, I am Asa Kalra. I am a certified graphologist and a graphotherapist. Today we'll talk about emotions. So if you feel that you put in a lot of emotions in every aspect of your life and it is troubling you, I think this is the right video for you. So you are having this rush of emotions and you can't control it. तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि you are mostly taking decisions on feelings, basically feeling based decisions hai rather rational decisions. I think there is should be a balance. I agree, emotions are important, but if you think that you are getting over emotional in every aspect of your life, then I think it is the time to change that thing, a trait about you. So if you feel that you are overly demonstrative, like you have overly demonstrative behavior, हर चीज़ में, हर action में you get emotional, you cry, you maybe get frustrated, कोई ना कोई emotion excess में you show maybe aggression or anything, and emotional outburst बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं, हर छोटी सी बात को आप दिल पे लगा लेते हैं and you get बहुत ज़्यादा you feel hurt, and the mind is so unclear that you can't think clearly, and emotions ने इतना ज़्यादा overpower किया हुआ है, and then again every emotional reaction you are expressing it with physical agitation and violent behavior दिख रहा है, and this also you also feel body में faster heartbeat, breathing fast हो जाती है, panic attacks we say इसको, and muscle tension हो रही है and frustration हो रही है. So I think if you feel that is happening to you, sometimes some people are okay with their over emotional behavior, so there is nothing wrong in that. But if you feel that aapka over emotional behavior is troubling you and giving you problem, I think this is the right video for you. I'll try to help you figure this out more, give you more clarity. So as I have said that graphology is my science, which is the science of handwriting. So if in your handwriting you see this particular thing, so this shows that you are definitely using more of emotions in your life than facts. As I believe there should be a balance. So if you're making T and D like this, where there are loops, so in school form we never learned that. We never in be it print or cursive, we don't make loops in T or in D. So if you in your handwriting, if it's like 1 or 2 or 3, then it's ignorable. But if it's like oozing out and everywhere, every T and D is like full of loops and bigger loops, so it means that you are one person who might also imagine a criticism and get emotional and affected. So कई लोग होते हैं ना जो सोचते ही हैं, एज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज थिंकिंग अबाउट मी, मेरे बारे में गलत सोच रहा है, एंड देन दे गेट इमोशनल, they start expressing their emotions in the wrong way. If you think that you fall in this category, I think this is the right time to check your handwriting and then consult a certified graphologist, because ये जो emotional outburst हो रहे हैं उसके नीचे underlying problem क्या है, we need to fix that, because this is something which you are showing, you're behaving, it is in there in your behavior, but underlying emotion क्या है, किस वजह से ये emotional outburst हो रहा है, आप किस वजह से इतना emotional feel कर रहे हैं, क्या कोई insecurity है, क्या कोई anger issues है, क्या है, which is the basically the gist of the problem. We need to figure this out. But yes, definitely if you're feeling like that and in your handwriting you see there are loops, so this is a reality check for you. You are an over emotional person and you don't know how to actually control your emotions. So you will always feel helpless, and it is, emotions are normal, but how we actually act upon it, it is in our hands. So sometimes we feel so helpless and we just act in a haphazard way and affect relationships and ourselves, our mental health. So this frustration will give you more frustration, and in this time today we are facing a lot of issues, mental health issues. So it is the right time to acknowledge your problem. Every problem has a solution. That's the big news. So hope my video helps you, and if there is any query, any question, just be free to ask me. Do follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and do like my YouTube channel, subscribe and share. Thank you everybody, hope you all are doing well.